Welcome back to Life Mastery. In this video, we'll be discussing 12 invaluable strategies to help you steer clear of academic burnout. As we approach the end of the semester, the intensity of school life tends to ramp up, and I'm sure many of you can relate to feeling the pressure. We've been on an enduring academic journey, balancing coursework, social life, jobs, and self-care, and it's not uncommon to experience burnout when we don't give ourselves a much-needed break. So, what exactly is academic burnout? It's a state of physical and emotional exhaustion that creeps in when the demands of academia become overwhelming. You may start feeling physically drained, struggle to maintain focus, or even lose interest in your studies. This burnout can manifest as decreased motivation, declining academic performance, heightened anxiety and depression, sleep disturbances, and changes in appetite. But don't worry, in this video, I'm here to help you overcome and prevent academic burnout. Let's begin with our first tip. Prioritize activities that bring you joy. Dedicate time to activities you truly enjoy, whether it's watching a great movie or indulging in your favorite hobby. During this time, focus solely on what brings you happiness. Fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods. Remember, your brain needs quality fuel. Enjoy nutritious meals that not only taste good but also provide the essential nutrients your brain craves. Incorporate physical activity. Exercise offers numerous benefits, including improved sleep, a boost of dopamine, and overall physical health. It can also clear your mind, enhancing your ability to think and concentrate. Practice positive self-talk. Encourage yourself daily, acknowledging your capabilities and the effort you're putting in. Reflect on your past achievements and how far you've come. Keep a to-do list and take notes. Stay organized by jotting down your daily tasks. It helps prevent headaches caused by trying to remember everything and offers a sense of accomplishment when you check off completed items. Maintain an organized environment. A clutter-free space can bring calmness and reduce distractions, enhancing your focus and overall well-being. Set achievable goals. Motivate yourself with both small and big goals. Whether it's attending all your classes in a week or completing tasks ahead of schedule, goals can keep you driven. Talk about your stress sometimes. Verbalizing your worries can simplify them. Consider confiding in a friend, or if you prefer a confidential and personalized approach, explore the counseling services available at your institution. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors, bask in the sunlight, and breathe in the fresh air to rejuvenate your mind and spirit. Meal prep for efficiency. Preparing meals in advance can significantly reduce stress, especially on your busiest days. It's not only good for your peace of mind but also your wallet. Take breaks during study sessions. Allow your mind to absorb information by taking short breaks. Get up, stretch, have a snack, or refresh your face. A brief pause can work wonders. Change your study environment. If you find yourself getting frustrated or restless, try studying in a different location. Sometimes, a change of scenery can rekindle your focus and motivation. I hope you find these tips helpful on your academic journey. Always remember, you've got the ability to conquer academic challenges, and with the right strategies, you can thrive without succumbing to burnout. Stay motivated, take care of yourself, and keep pushing forward.